Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to revisit a technique that we did before, but we're going to mix it just a little bit. We're going to do what is called the blooming effect, meaning that it's like doing some flowers, but it's the pouring who does it, and in fact it's the silicone that does it. When the silicone, even if you mix well with your acrylic, when your silicone touch first your canvas, that's what happens. It's blooming. So you're gonna see it's very nice. This time we're gonna do basically with blue, with 3 tints of blue, from very dark till very bright. But we're gonna mix silicone only with our white acrylic. It's gonna be nice effect. We did it before, but like I said, it's gonna be a little bit different because we're gonna burn it, so we're gonna make more cells, and a few of the cells should be like flowers. I think it's gonna be nice, even nicer when we deal with blue. Well, for me it is anyway. So let's go and try it, and let's come back to the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I hope you're gonna agree the result is very nice. I think, well, again, it's subjective, but doing works in acrylic paint with blue, for me, it's one of the greatest colors. I think it's nice the way we did it. And like I told you, the fact that we do some blooming with our acrylic is mainly because of the silicone. Well, it's only because of the silicone. Not so much because of the medium, which in this case was Floetrol. I like to use Floetrol. And the other thing, I did put my acrylic very fluid, which does a better work of blooming when it's more fluid. I think it's nicer. And as you saw, I did burn a bit my acrylic, so it was to have more cells, which in this case, even if I don't like always cells, but in this case, it was great. So I think it is. Anyway, so guys, I hope you're gonna try it, because like I said, I think it's a very nice finish. You have a lot of work. I think you have a good mix of fluid line and a lot of cells which are blooming. Not all of them, but most of them are kind of blooming. So I think it's nice. I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always guys, don't forget, if you want to buy some canvas which we did together, they're all for sale starting at $20. So I think it's nice. Well, if you like one, contact me in private and we'll talk about it. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.